Hello everyone, welcome back to StudyEcart. I'm your Yogi Siddheshwara. Guys, I just started new playlist especially for software course roadmaps. In this particular place, you will get all the details about each and every software course from demand to skills and salary expectations. Everything you will get here. So don't forget subscribe and like and share this particular playlist. This is the first video. I'm going to explain about ServiceNow technology or course roadmap with each and every detail. Let's get started. First thing first, what exactly is ServiceNow? Well, think of it as a powerful tool used by business to automate and streamline their internal processes. Everything from handling customer requests to managing IT issues. It's all about making business operations run smoothly and efficiently. In today's fast-paced world, I think so businesses are constantly looking for ways to improve their efficiency and especially save the time. That's where ServiceNow comes in. Whether it's an IT sector or HR management services or customer services, companies are turning to ServiceNow to help improve their operations. Imagine you work in a company's help desk. And an employee submits a request because their laptop isn't working. Okay, it's not working. ServiceNow organizes the request, assign it to the right team, and track the progress and ensures it gets resolved quickly. Pretty cool, right? That's just one of the countless ways ServiceNow helps businesses. Whether it's a IT service management or HR or even facilities management system also. The possibilities are endless. Top companies like Accenture, Infosys, and Wipro are using ServiceNow, and it's growing rapidly in sectors like healthcare, finance, and education. It's an exciting space to be in, right? Let's talk about the market demand. There's a huge surge in the need of ServiceNow professionals. Did you know that LinkedIn reported 40% increase in the job posting for ServiceNow roles just last year alone? The demand for ServiceNow professionals is global, and companies are hiring both technical and non-technical experts. Some of the biggest players in the field, including Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, and Capgemini. But you will also find opportunities in small startups. Even I think so some small startups in Bangalore and Hyderabad, especially in Pune, people are using ServiceNow tools to enhance their business operations, especially in the tech space. ServiceNow is becoming an essential part of the operations for business everywhere, every sector almost, I think so. Let's dive into the job roles and what you can expect in terms of salary. Junior roles, especially if you observe junior roles, 0 to 2 years of experience, if you're just starting out, you might begin as a ServiceNow administrator or a support analyst. These roles involves managing the platform, customizing the workflows, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. The salary in India, you can expect 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. And if it comes to mid-level roles, who have the 3 to 5 years of experience, you could move into roles like a ServiceNow developer or consultant. Here, you will be customizing the platform and developing applications and solving complex problems for the clients directly. And the salary, you can expect 7 to 12 lakhs per annum. When it comes to senior roles, roles like ServiceNow architect, lead consultant become available. In these positions, you will be design large-scale solutions, integrate systems with other applications or APIs especially, and maybe you can lead the teams sometimes. The salary expect you can like 15 to 25 lakhs per annum. Imagine you just started as a ServiceNow administrator, managing the tickets and user requests. Then you progress become a consultant, where you will help business tailor the platform to their needs. As you grow, so does the responsibility and the pay. you could eventually be leading large projects and managing entire teams. Now, let's talk about the skills you'll need to succeed in a ServiceNow. Basic understanding of IT and business processes. You don't need be part of expert in a group. Okay, means you don't need to be an expert, but understanding how IT operations and business workflows work is a great start. For example, if you know how a service desk handles requests, you will be ahead for the curve. Imagine an employee requests a new laptop. ServiceNow automates the entire process from start to finish. ServiceNow relies on JavaScript for customizing workflows. If you are new to coding, start with learning JavaScript basics. For example, you could write some small script to check if a ticket has a high priority or automatically escalates it. It's just like a checkboxes. I think you people already knows that, right? JavaScript mostly using for validations. Okay. Now it's turning to the high level now. Yes, obviously people are designing that whole applications using JavaScript and libraries like React, Node. I think so many, right? So let's take some example. Imagine you're building a custom form in a ServiceNow to report incidents. With the JavaScript, you could add validations rules to ensure that the priority field filled out before the form is submitted. Right? I think you people are already using this type of forms, especially when you're applying for the government examinations or government forms. ServiceNow is all about automatic workflows. If you understand how workflows works, whether it's a processing requests or managing approvals, you will be on the right track. Think of workflows like a flowing a recipe. You need to follow the steps in an order. Picture of a company onboarding and a new employee. For example, if just take an example, maybe one new employee going for onboarding in a company with ServiceNow. You can set up a workflow that assigns tasks for IT to provide laptop, HR to prepare ID card, facilities to assign a desk automatically. All in a right sequence by using the ServiceNow. So this type of useful use there for whenever you're using ServiceNow in IT operations, especially or HR. Let's talk about your learning path. Here, how you can structurize your journey from beginners to advanced. If you're a beginner in a ServiceNow learning process, start with the ServiceNow fundamentals course to understand the basics, navigating the platform, creating incidents, and managing the records. You may use that ServiceNow official website for this. If you are intermediate level, once you got the basics down, explore workflow automation and flow designer, especially this important for intermediate level flow designer. These tools let you automate a task with a little to no coding, perfect for improving efficiency. In advanced level, focus on building custom applications and integrations. At this level, you may integrate that other APIs with ServiceNow. For instance, using Integration Hub, it's a tool to connect ServiceNow with a Slack or Microsoft Teams. It automatically shares or receives the messages, from the Slack. The Slack or Microsoft Teams are like messaging tools, right? I think you people are already familiar with this. The Certified Application Developer certification is a great way to provide and prove your expertise at this level, especially advanced level. Here are some key tools and technologies you will need to learn. Flow Designer allows you to design workflow without code, and ServiceNow Studio, it's very important, guys. Your workspace for building and customizing ServiceNow applications especially. And Integration Hub it's very important to integrate with other APIs like connect services with the external tools like Salesforce, SAP or Office 365. And REST API, it's a very important. It's architecture like a SOAP. Okay. It's designing like a microservices oriented application. So let's you may work on this REST API. So that's the reason you have to learn this one also. It's integrating ServiceNow with the third party systems. Okay. Learning ServiceNow is a fun. Obviously, it's a fun. People have the basics on JavaScript first and foremost, okay? And there are plenty of great resources out there. Let me tell you some free resources as of now. ServiceNow developer portal is there, right? So there is a ServiceNow developer portal provided by the ServiceNow company, offers free courses and learning paths, okay? Otherwise, you can go for check in YouTube channels. So many YouTube channels providing the ServiceNow courses. Maybe it's not completely, but you will have some basic understanding. Then you can go for that paid versions. Like paid versions means you can, if you want to join any institution, then you can go for that. Otherwise, you can go for the Udemy. Honestly, Udemy affordable courses, including the certified system administrator course, also it's providing. And otherwise, you can directly go for that authorized course by LinkedIn Learning. There's a platform, right? I think people knows that. Structured course for the beginners and advanced learners. There is a separate courses is there in LinkedIn. You can go for that. Here are some project ideas to help build your portfolio. Learning some technology is not a big deal, I think, so you can learn it. But you have to create some projects on it, okay? That shows that interviewer, you have some knowledge on real-time approach. So I will give you some small projects after you're completing or while you're learning the ServiceNow tool. There's a first one is the incident management system. It's a simple project. Create a custom incident management app for a fictional company. Okay, like I told you, right? So employee laptop isn't working, then the ticket raising, that all things. Maybe it's a part of incident management system. And employee onboarding workflow, I think so. People who are already working, they knows that how that onboarding workflow is there. So maybe if you know that this process, or you can check in Google, you can design this one, okay? And ServiceNow catalog, it's like a build simple catalog with the service options like IT support, HR request. That's simple. You just create a very simple process that will give you that some enhancement and boosting you, okay, to improve your confidence. These projects will not only give you practical experience but also showcase your skills to future employers. Before jumping into the ServiceNow career, consider these tips. Okay, so access your interest first and foremost. If you're enjoying problem solving, automating the task, and working with the tech, ServiceNow might be the right perfect fit for you. And career stability and growth. Obviously, the demand for the ServiceNow professionals is only going to grow in the coming years. Obviously, it's very sure, because based on the statistics from the authenticated resources, which ensuring that stable and rewarding career. Preparation is the key, especially when it comes to interviews. Brush up on technical questions related to ServiceNow workflows, JavaScript and integration tools, but don't forget to work on your soft skills too. Communication and teamwork and problem solving skills are very important, very important. Okay, ServiceNow is evolving rapidly with exciting new features like artificial intelligence, machine learning integrations. Now it's enhancing year by year, month by month. Okay, stay updated with these trends and you will always be ready for the next big thing in ServiceNow. I hope this roadmap has helped you. Exciting opportunities in ServiceNow. Start your learning journey today and you will be well on your way to fantastic career. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.